I'm sorry, my cats. Tori, you're making a video out of this.
Okay. This man had a very special delivery for dockside shunter, full of talking trains. And it was a huge set of it. Oops. So I did something to your delivery. What did you do to my delivery? Well, I keep telling that stupid postman the engines are fine. I mean, I put batteries in them. Now I'm gonna test them. What harm gonna do? What's gonna be wrong with them? After testing all of his talking engines,
3 of the 6 of them are not working.
only one man who could help us now, and they turned out eyeballs too. So technically, the wheels are dead because the motors may be dead in them. You see, I suggest checking eBay or Done Deal to see can you get any new ones. Nope. I know where you can get you ones. I mean, they come off of Amazon. I can get you ones. Really like that.
Yes!
Amazon don't do those. They're not the same. Oh yeah. Okay, so long story, mate. You what do they call it? You were scammed.
Wait, what? And the other, okay, 3 of the 6 of them are not working.
Yeah, there was no doubt you were actually scammed. Where have you got them from?
What the f? What the actual? What the f?
Why? Why aren't they working?
I can't help myself. What the actual shit?
Well, we know today something new, kids. If you're under 13 years old, don't buy things off of eBay or Done Deal, or you get scanned like dockside here. And whenever there's a delivery coming, do not trust Postman Pat delivering it. The hell what you just say about me, man? Oh no.